Imagine this. Apple drops a brand new iPhone. The entire world hits pause. Twitter explodes, headlines take over, and people camp outside Apple stores. When Apple launches a new MacBook, it instantly becomes a trending topic. But when the Mac Mini shows up, it usually sneaks in quietly. It's almost like that shy kid in class who never raises their hand but somehow ends up topping the exam. Well, this time, things are about to be very different, because with the Mac Mini M5, Apple isn't just refreshing a product, they're rewriting what their most compact desktop can do. And honestly, it might just be the biggest surprise of 2025. Welcome back to the channel where we break down the future of tech and the devices, shaping our digital lives. Today we're diving deep into the Mac Mini M5, a tiny machine with massive potential. The Mac Mini has always been the underdog in Apple's lineup, loved by students, developers, and small businesses for being affordable and reliable. But Apple never really gave it that flashy keynote spotlight. That changes with the arrival of the M5 chip, which isn't just a new processor, but the next leap forward in Apple silicon. And when Apple says leap, they don't mean a small hop. They mean Olympic long jump delivering next-generation performance, AI-powered computing, and efficiency that could even embarrass the bigger Macs. Design-wise, things are changing too. The Mac Mini has always been sleek and understated. Thanks to the M5's improved thermal efficiency, it's expected to get even thinner, looking more like a polished slice of aluminum art than a traditional box. And yes, colors are finally coming. Rumors say midnight blue, darker brushed aluminum, maybe even space black, no more boring silver and gray. On the port side, expect Thunderbolt 5 for insanely fast data transfers, HDMI 2.148K displays, and Wi-Fi 7 for next-level connectivity, meaning whether you're editing 4K video, gaming, or just flexing your setup, this little machine is ready for tomorrow. Of course, the real star is the M5 chip itself. Bringing more high-performance CPU cores, a brand new GPU architecture, an advanced AI integration with an upgraded neural engine, meaning real-time AI processing, smarter photo enhancements, and apps that feel like they're working with you, not just for you. Memory and storage are getting a big boost too, with up to 96 gigabytes of unified memory on higher models workstation. Level, capacity, and something the size of a lunchbox and faster. SSDs for instant loading, all while staying whisper quiet with no bulky fans. Pricing is also key here. And analysts say Apple will stick with the $699 base model to keep the Mac Mini the most affordable desktop in the lineup. But expect 3 versions: entry-level for everyday users, mid-tier with more GPU power, and a high-end model that edges into Mac Studio territory at around $1,299. Timing-wise, if Apple follows its usual cycle, we'll likely see the Mac Mini M5 launch in spring 2025. It's probably March or April, alongside new MacBook Airs and maybe even a refreshed iMac. It's pre-orders opening quickly and shipping 2 weeks later. So why does this matter? Because it flips the narrative. It shows that Apple's smallest desktop can stand shoulder to shoulder with the heavyweights, offering students an affordable entry into the Apple ecosystem, developers a compact coding powerhouse, and creators professional-grade video editing, music production, and AI workflows in something smaller than your lunchbox. Big things really do come in small packages, and in 2025, that message could resonate louder than ever. The Mac Mini M5 might not get as much attention as the iPhone, but make no mistake, this time, it's stepping into the spotlight, and honestly, it deserves it. Thanks for watching. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives into Apple's future, and don't forget to check out the other videos linked in the end screen, especially our coverage of the upcoming MacBook Air and iMac updates. Until next time, stay curious, stay updated, and I'll see you in the next one.